This summer, students showcased research projects during the 16th annual poster session in Owen Science Hall. Sponsored by the University of St. Thomas's Undergraduate Research and Collaborative Scholarship Program, the demonstration allowed undergraduate students the opportunity to present research in a professional manner, while at the same time gaining critical feedback on their findings.
I read the reviews. I decided I want to do research last spring, and I read the reviews, and it had pretty much everything I wanted. I could work outside all day. I got to work with animals, and I got to canoe. And I got to take a trip to Michigan where we camped out for a week. I mean, it's not perfect.
Well, I was in a Civil War seminar. It's part of my major. I'm a history major, so it's part of the major to take a seminar class. And I had no idea what to write on. I was just at a loss, and I read this article in one of the books that Dr. Fitzharris gave us, and that one stuck out, and I liked it, so I pursued it.
Well, I started by doing a lot of reading, whether I was just reading, just detective fiction from the era that specifically featured female detectives. And then I read a lot of critical material based on detective fiction. But as I really started to dig into my research, I went over to the Hess collection, which is the largest collection of dime novels in the United States, to actually specifically read dime novels and really get the meat of my research that I looked into this summer.
Over the summer, 76 students and 51 faculty members worked with one another to conduct research for solving problems in science, business, and other various social sciences. Given financial support through collaborative inquiry grants, students were able to work closely with faculty members outside of the classroom to gather data and organize their research.
I got a lot of experience working with like wildlife in general, but more than that, I kind of learned exactly what it takes to be more professional in the field of biology. I've got to present to the conference and do different papers and present for people here at St. Thomas that's taught me a lot about taking what I learned and applying it in a more professional fashion.
You just learn a lot about what it takes to research, what really is involved in it. You learn a lot about how to do the research within the library systems, and it's kind of like being a detective, and it's just really fun, and it keeps you engaged. Even though writing papers is kind of boring at times, it just keeps you engaged, and you're constantly looking, especially when it's something you care a lot about.
It was one of those things that it's a fantastic opportunity to spend your summer doing something productive, something that you love, and it really helped me to learn to love my academic field of study more.
If you want to find out more information on undergraduate research and collaborative scholarships, or how you can apply, visit the University of St. Thomas's URCS homepage.